Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Lives. And in this session, we are going to talk about senses. A dash, as such as touch, is detected by a dash, and we may make a dash. Fill in the missing words using the following words: response, change, organ, stimulus, movement, receptor, effector. A stimulus, such as touch, is detected by a receptor, and we may make a response. List 4 stimuli which can be detected by the skin. The skin can detect heat, cold, touch, and pressure. By what means do we become aware of a stimulus? Nerve impulse traveling from a receptor to the brain make us aware of a stimulus. Name the 4 taste sensations that we can distinguish. We can distinguish sweet, sour, salt, bitter tastes. Give the names of the parts of the eye labeled in the diagram. A. Ciliary muscle. B. Eyelids. C. Aqueous humor. D. Lens. E. Cornea. F. Sclera. G. Vitreous humor. H. Colloid. I. Retina. J. Fovea. K. Blind spot. L. Optic nerve. Which one of the following statements is incorrect? When a bright light shines in the eye. A. Impulses travel in the optic nerve. B. Radial fiber in the eyelash contract. C. The retina responds. D. The pupil becomes smaller. It's B. The radial fibers in the eyelash contract. is incorrect. What is the cause of the blind spot in the field of vision? A. There are no nerves in the blind spot. B. There are only cones in the blind spot. C. There are no sensory cells in the blind spot. D. The image is not formed on the blind spot. It's part C. There are no sensory cells in the blind spot. Which region of the retina gives the most accurate interpretation of the image? The fovea is the region of the retina which gives the most accurate interpretation of the image. What type of light-sensitive cell is present in the fovea? The light-sensitive cells in the fovea are the cones. Which part of the eye refract, that is bend, the light in such a way as to form an image on the retina? The curved surface of the cornea and the aqueous humor enclosed by it refract the light. The lens also refracts the light. What do you understand by the term accommodation? Accommodation is the way the eye can focus either near or distant objects to form a sharp image on the retina. What part does the lens play in accommodation? The lens is made thinner so that light from a distant object is refracted less, or fatter so that the light from a close object is refracted more. Which is the correct statement? To focus a distant object, A. The ciliary muscle contracts and the lens gets thicker. The ciliary muscle relaxes and the lens gets thinner. The ciliary muscle contracts and the lens gets thinner. The ciliary muscles relax and the lens gets thicker. It's B. The ciliary muscles relax and the lens gets thinner is the correct statement. What type of color blindness is most common in men? Red-green color blindness is the most common form of color blindness in men. What kind of eye defect can give rise to short-sightedness? Long eyeballs, large eyeballs, too powerful a lens, or a combination of these defects can give rise to short-sightedness. What type of spectacle lens can help correct long-sightedness? Converging or convex or meniscus lenses can help correct long-sightedness. Hello friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology Lights. I encourage you to subscribe.